One of the biggest reasons students fail the ACCA exams isn't lack of knowledge. It's not being able to attempt the full 100 marks in the paper. And trust me, this single factor can make or break your result. So why does it actually happen? First, the typing speed. Most students underestimate how much typing practice ACCA's computer-based exams actually require. By the time they reach the final few questions, the clock runs out. Not because they did not know the answers, but because they couldn't type them fast enough. The second reason is lack of practice. Doing 1 or 2 mock tests isn't enough. At edZeb, we recommend at least 7 to 8 mocks per paper under strict time conditions. That's how you build real exam stamina and time management. The third reason is no proper feedback. Most students never get personalized analysis of their mock results. They don't know their strengths, weaknesses, or question solving order. At edZeb, every mock you take is personally reviewed by the faculty, and we guide you on how to prioritize, structure, and order your answers to maximize marks. The fourth reason is selective study. Students often prepare based on previous paper trends, focusing only on a few important topics. But when ACCA changes the pattern or the question style, panic sets in. That's exactly why at edZeb we go one step ahead. We identify the exact reasons why a student might fail to attempt the full paper or panic during the exam, and we fix these issues well before the exam day. At least 10 to 15 days before your exam, we start your intensive revision and mock drill sessions, equipping you with everything you need to stay confident, fast, and accurate under pressure. Because at edZeb, we just don't prepare you to pass. We prepare you to finish strong and score every possible mark you've worked for.